Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA. GLA is everything you need in a compact SUV, like flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, and everything you want in a Mercedes-Benz. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Of the GLA, Cars.com writes, quiet and smooth with long legs, this compact Benz loves the highway. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,